understand it. We are sitting here not for anything, because you people are very dignitary people. What he said, just we are expecting as senior citizens. We are expecting as senior citizens what? Just love and affection from you people. Not money, not dollars, not anything. Just smile, going to mother. Is it not going to mother? Masudeva Baba in the morning and evening, touching the feet. Is it not? That is important. You touch in the morning the feet of your mother or father. That creates a lot of psychological changes in you. You need to go to temple. You don't have to go to anywhere. You need to have any devotion, dedication, nothing. Just touch the. Is it not? That is our culture. Is it not? Samudra Vasudevi, generally when we put our feet here, Padas Pashan Vishnupati Namastupyam Padas Pashan Yamasame, we say in Sanskrit. Vishnupati Namastupyam Padas Pashan Yamasame. Is it not? So not only that mother who gave her birth, this wonderful body, she is nothing but a goddess. She is nothing but a goddess. Touch her feet. That's what we say, Matudeva Baba and Pitudeva Baba. I have forgotten the people who are more educated, going to America, etc., highly educated, getting dollars and they are making money-making missions, not moral-making missions, money-making missions, and forgetting their own parents. Our president, is it not, with heavy heart, said, please talk with us. What we are asking? Simple. Amma Bhavanava, Nana Bhavanava. She may be illiterate. She may be unemployed. She may be poorless, not even after 60, everything they will become weak. Now who are here, like heroes and heroines, we feel like, but after 20 age comes, we become weak, physically, mentally, financially, morally. We, Papa, Nana, నీ పక్కన నేనున్నాను, అమ్మ నీ పక్కన నేనున్నాను, నీ సపోర్ట్గా నేనున్నాను, నీ అండలో నేను ఉన్నాను. నేను అమ్మాయినే కావచ్చు, అబ్బాయినే కావచ్చు, నేను అమ్మాయిననే నీ పక్కనే ఉన్నాను. అమ్మ నీతో మాట్లాడతాను, నీ అండగా ఉంటాను. నీ యొక్క అమ్మాయి ఈరోజు ఎంతమంది చేంజెస్ వచ్చినాయి. ఈరోజు అమ్మాయిలో చేంజెస్ వచ్చినాయి చాలా. దే ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ మోర్ దెన్ సన్స్. అమ్మాయికి సపోర్ట్గా ఉంటుంది అమ్మాయిల కుటుంబానికి. అది we are expecting. So my dear students, this is the things, many things are there.